Let's take the body off and let's get to the differentials. Okay, let's take the battery out. Okay, and I believe we're going to take off these two screws here. So I believe that's a 2mm. First, we're going to take off the bottom screws here and take off this bumper. And that looks like to be a 1.5, so I'll take that. No, it's not a 1.5. That is a 2. And I'm going to set these screws over here. Actually, there we go.